Very good evening, friends. This is Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. I consistently saying from the last several years that Indian markets are highly dominated by operators. But I completely understand that there are people in the market who comes and say that this is not a reality. Very recently, we saw something what had happened in the Indian market and especially in media segment. Unfortunately, I found out that analysis which is done covering the front running is completely incorrect. And I'm very sorry, but I found out that this analysis is not at par of what it should be. So I thought let's make a video in that regards and try and explain you how exactly this runs. Number one, I would like to explain you that what do you mean by front running? That is really very important concept. Now, front running means that before that relevant trade comes into the market, or anyone in the media category will say that this is they think that this trade will go to this level, they already purchased that trade, or they already sold that trade. Either way, example, if they think that this will go up, it means they are positive. They already purchased this, or if they are thinking that they are negative, it means they already sold this. Now there are various ways in which they done this. Number one, it could be using FNO. It could be using short sales. And most important, it could be using the lobby. I went through the whole analysis of the front running, and I found out that in Indian history, front running did number of times. This is not the first time the front running is did. Before I go ahead, let me remind you that front running is not only by the media houses. Several times across the globe, the leading mutual funds also involved in the front running. Example, front running are done by these people. Number one, the players in the front running are accordingly. Number one, definitely the media houses play a very key role in the front running. You know that. Because thousands and thousands and thousands of investors are buying only because someone coming in media and saying that this stock will rise without having any research done on the stock. And end result, we all understand. Second is definitely it is done by the big corporates, those who are huge investments in the market. Now, every corporate across the globe, big corporates are having two offices. Number one is known as the Treasury Department. And number two is known as the promoter office. Generally speaking, promoter office is an office which is managed by not a front runner guy, rather I should say by a professional trader. And he is having objective to earn that level of profit. If he's not running that profit, it means that, what happens? Third is definitely the family houses. Big corporates, high net worth individuals, they operate their family offices. Example, people who have billions and billions of dollars of money, they operate their family offices, and what exactly they do is that they let this they have a dedicated task which is given to the family offices, and they need to run that, and the family offices need to manage that task very well, to be honest. Fourth, which I don't think that we ever cover this practically, which is the sub account. Don't worry, I will explain what do you mean by sub account. And number fifth is definitely the institutional investors. But there is a fancy name which is given to this, which is known as carry trade. Carry trade is a fancy trade which is given to them. The list is very long. It is definitely not comprehensive in nature, but I don't have time to explain each and every step, else I would have explained each and every step. Now, to be honest, let me explain that from a front running angle. Now, from a front running angle, you need two players. Number one, let me write here, you need a buyer. You need a spokesperson. You must be thinking that the spokesperson is always media, always media. You are definitely wrong. Spokesperson is not always media. No. There is another spokesperson we have in the market whose name is known as mutual funds. Trillions and trillions worth of money is invested in the mutual funds, and every day mutual funds invest their money in the securities market across the globe. Example, there is a mutual fund we have whose name is PQR. The manager of PQR, I'm just giving a hypothetical example, is, okay, why should I write my name? I should write a hypothetical name, SRK. SRK is not Shah Rukh Khan. SRK is just a name which I've chosen. So it is not Shah Rukh Khan. So this is his manager, SRK, short name, coded name. He manages the fund of 15,000 crores. Now he wanted to buy a security of a bank, and the bank name is Bank Limited. What he do? It is pretty simple. And guys, nowadays 99% of the people do not know, but managing front running is really very easy. This person is having two things, at least one. Thomson Reuters and Bloomberg Messenger. Both are having their messengers. In Reuters, we call Reuters Messenger. Bloomberg, we call Bloomberg Messenger. Both are at par. So we should not say that Reuters is better than Bloomberg or Bloomberg is better than Reuters. Both are having their advantages and disadvantages, but both are at par. In Reuters and Bloomberg Messenger, there is a clear lobby. There are almost all market participants, those who are there on the messengers. Almost everyone, which includes banks, financial institutions, pension funds, hedge funds, institutional investors, foreign institutional investors, and more importantly, the government players, the sovereign bodies, and all. Everyone is there, guys. We just named that. Everyone is there. It is very easy to pass the message on the Reuters Messenger or Bloomberg Messenger in such a coded language that no one can understand that. No one can understand that in the whole world. Now, this message will immediately reach out, assuming there is a hedge fund to him. Message is passed by this gentleman, SRK. Hedge fund will immediately pass this message to his broker. Broker will buy these shares, XYZ company, and after some time, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 24 hour, the mutual fund will buy these shares in the market. And do we have any audit mechanism in which we can check whether the shares which are bought up by any mutual fund of any country is lesser than the value at that point of time or higher than the value at that point of time? It is completely the jurisdiction of that portfolio manager, whose name is SRK, right? Now the question is, if any intelligent person is think that the front running can be done by by media institution, then I'm wrong. Front running is majority to be done by mutual fund, and there are big players, those who are doing the front running. Now, how exactly it happens, I will share you more details about that. Now, what happens? They are those people who have literally zero knowledge about the financial market. They have no knowledge about the financial market. They only dependent on the media. Now, when I say the media, I'm not saying the TV media. I'm saying that the print media or any kind of news which is coming in the market, any kind of interview which is coming in the market, newspapers which is coming, and the TV media. And when the front running operations which I explained, when this news comes, either the stock price depends upon the kind of position they are declaring, the stock price will go up or either the stock price will go down. But there is another person in the party who manages this more wonderfully than others, and his name is known as sub account. Now, who is a sub account? Sub account is nothing but a local entity of foreign institutional investor. Now, that local entity might be registered in the sense like they might be in the shape of a company or a LLP or a partnership firm, or it be a single individual. In some cases, it is partnership firm. In some cases, it is LLP. In some cases, it is one person company. In some cases, it is private limited company also. In some cases, it is individuals also. Sub account are those people, those who are managing a huge amount of money by foreign portfolio investors. And every foreign portfolio investor is having a direct or indirect sub account in the country in which he is actually investing. These sub accounts are always in touch with all the people, those who can do the front running. Right? Now let me summarize this, how exactly, because everything I cannot disclose, let me summarize this in a little short way. These are the people, those who managing to do the front running. Now they are the sub accounts. Sometimes they are mutual funds, sometimes they are the media houses. They have called feeders. Feeders means either Reuters or Bloomberg. It is very easy to write in a coded language on both messengers. Very easy to write and impossible to track. This goes to to the markets. And what happened, that is really more interesting, that before the retail investors come, the market will take up either the buy side and they will take either the sell side. Other way around, to be honest. They will take either the buy side or they will take either the sell side, to be honest. And then guys, what happened that is really more interesting to learn is that once they have taken the position, then this comes to this segment, which is called retail segment. And plus the hype. What happened? They go reverse. Example. If, because they have already bought, stock go up, here they sold. They have already sold, stock go down, here they book the profits. This is how the front running is actually happening. If I tell you that, and more importantly, let me tell you that if you are thinking that front running is only happening in case of individual shares or individual stocks, then let me tell you how are the various types of front running is happening. Now, front running is actually happening in number one, it happens in case of individual stocks. It happens in case of a complete company and subsidiaries. It happens in case of complete sector. On an often basis, we have seen in the world of financial market when different financial markets are giving hype to a sector. Like nowadays in India, there is a hype about renewables. And if you look at the practical renewable, like exactly where the renewable company stands, you would really get to know, oh my God. Fourth, it is sometime happen because of the government news. Example, if any government of the world coming up with a concept called budget, they will come with a concept called disinvestment, they with the concept called closure of the company, and there are multiple. And fifth and last, and very importantly, it happens in case of bankruptcy news, which is called CDS, credit derivative swaps. Before a company went bankrupt, it comes to a few people and appropriate position is taken in that regards. It is very easy to share information on Reuters and Bloomberg. Very easy, and it is in such a way that you will never get to know the information is exactly shared. Front running is a very big market. Unfortunately, I cannot explain you each and every concept of the front running, but I would like to end my video with one, I would say very important diagram, which is very important diagram. Give me just 1 minute. The very important diagram, which is known as, I'm just giving an example. There are two kind of positions which are created in the market. Number one is called front running, and number two is called back running. And this in the world is diplomatically known as carry trade. And there are various ways we can do the carry trade. I'm telling you, there are hundreds of ways we can do the carry trade. That is all about the front running, and that is all about the back running. We really need to understand how exactly these things happen, and this is really, really very important to understand these things. Guys, the most important thing in the life is the knowledge about the financial market, which most of the people do not have. We feel that the way media reports things, it is right. But most of the time, the analysis done by the media is either completely incorrect or baseless. Front running, I have not found a single literature on the front running in an appropriate way. Like, before I conclude, let me just show you the recap. This is our first. And let me tell you, the most difficult thing in the front running is this. This is second. These are the players who do the front running, and the most critical player is the FI. This is third, how exactly a front running works. Please be note that front running methodology is different in case of banks, it is different in case of financial institution, different in case of provident fund, different in case of hedge funds. All have their different methodologies. As simple as that. Front running is sometime, this is how a front running is done. The most important player in the front running is the sub account. Sometimes sub account is registered at partnership firm, LLP firm, one person company, private limited, but generally they are individual player. The most difficult sub account is the offshore sub account. And I don't think that any literature is mentioned on the Google about that. This is offshore sub account. Then we have this, I told you, hype is very important. Hype has to be given, and media is doing appropriate job in circulating hype. Without having any information, only baseless hype is given. Number 6, these are various ways, basically various ways on which sub account or on which this front running is done, like individual stocks, company subsidiaries, sectors, government newses, bankruptcies via CTS and all. And last but not the least is definitely the front running and the back running. Back running is known as the carry trade. I can explain a lot about front running and everything, but in the interest of time, I cannot put everything in the public. But this is a pretty interesting concept. This is Rahul Magan. You know our news desk and anything. If you need any information about our products, this is our WhatsApp number. That is. I hope you like this video. And if you get some time, just think that how exactly it is happening. You will get a very good reality. Have a good time ahead, sir. Thank you.